Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to be using two more of the shaker card kits from Kat Scrappiness, and we are going to create an ornament and a card. So I'm going to get started with the cardinal bird ornament shaker card kit, and then we're going to do the Santa's ride through the sky. So each one of these card kits, you have a white side and a craft side because it's kind of like, I want to say it's like pressed wood, something like that. It's real thick. And the craft side I thought would make a really cute country Christmas ornament, so that's why I'm going to leave it blank just the way it is. Not going to change anything about the front, and I'm just going to fill up my shaker. This is going to be a really quick one because I think it just looks absolutely adorable, um, just as it is. It doesn't even need anything else. So I'm just going to add my little sequin mix, and this is one that I made last week, so I had some left over. Then I just added some stars. Those are the mirrored stars, and some more of the gold sequins. I really like the way this mix looks. Just keep adding to it. So I mean, it looks really pretty and it's very sparkly. Um, but honestly, can't even really remember which ones are in it anymore because I just keep adding to it. I'm going to glue the top on, and then we need to set that aside and let it dry. I found this ribbon in my stash that looks very country Christmassy to me. And also I had some dies that have some really pretty winter greenery. So I just cut out some pine sprigs, one little poinsettia, and then the berries. And that's pretty much all we're going to do to decorate the front of this because I think that's all it needs. It's absolutely adorable just the way it is. I'm going to add some of the berries, and I did cut them out of both red and white just to kind of break up. I didn't want just red on the front. And I made a double bow out of some natural twine, which I'm going to glue right underneath the knot and trim my little tails, and that's going to do it. That's all I needed to do for this. It's absolutely adorable. I love this. It's going to look so pretty. Tie it to a package and then put it on the tree. It's just gorgeous. So next we're going to do the Santa sleigh ride through the sky. And for this one I'm going to be using my glitter markers. So I wanted kind of like a Whoville color scheme. I just thought it'd be really pretty. So I chose it's called Strawberry Bonbon for the frame, and then it's Urban Graphite for Santa and the reindeer. I'm going to create my background using some Distress Oxides, just some dark colors because we want to have a night sky. So I'm just going to quickly go through and make a nice dark sky. I will darken it up even more with black soot, which just what was on my blending tool right there. And then you see I've got like the stormy sky and the faded jeans. I was going to use the dusty Concord, but I changed my mind. Now I'm going to color in the reindeer, Santa, and the tree, and the sleigh, and all that in the Urban Graphite. This is very sparkly. These are, well, they're called glitter markers for a reason. They're very glittery. Looks absolutely adorable. Much better in person, I can tell you, because even I look at the pictures and think, I wish you could see what it looks like in person because it's way better than the pictures even show. So we're going to do the Strawberry Bonbon on the outside of the frame. I'm sorry about my voice, guys. I'm coming down with something again. Perks of working in a hospital, I guess. So now I'm going to start building my background. So this is what's going to go inside of the frame. And I cut the white paper right there. I cut that to be exactly the same size as the frame. I just measured the frame and then cut myself a piece of Bristol Smooth cardstock. Now I'm just layering up all of my layers, and these are all like dies from Lawn Fawn, and then the tree die is the Kat Scrappiness. Let's see. I will link it below. I just can't remember what we're calling it. But that you can use this die. What's nice about it is that size that it is. You can wrap your trees around things. So you can, like you can see right here, you can create kind of a hill. You can trim them down and use just pieces and parts of them. You don't need to use the whole thing. You can flip it upside down and use it for icicles. You've got a bunch of different ways. I think even one of the design team members made, I want to say Frankenstein, and it was supposed to be like Frankenstein's hair. It came out so cute. So now we're going to start building the shaker, now that we have our little Whoville here. So I'm going to attach the foam piece. once I have the foam piece down, I'm just gonna, while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm just gonna add some white gel pen to the sky. I wanted some stars back there. I didn't want it to look like snow, that's why I made those little, the little star looking things. And then I'm gonna place my sequin mix in here. And this one I'm using the white snowflakes, the mirrored stars. I'm not going to put too much in it because I don't want you to not be able to, I don't want to not be able to see my background through too much sparkles. So unlike the cardinal shaker ornament where I could put as much in it as I wanted to, this one I wanted to be kind of sparing with it because I didn't want it to be so full that you couldn't make out what was behind it. I did use my, so I trimmed around to make it those rounded corners, and now I'm using my corner rounder on my card base, and then that will fit right on top just like that. Now I just need sentiment, and I'm going to use this stamp set from, it's one of the Kat Scrappiness stamp sets, and I just grabbed the Merry Christmas, I placed it right there down in that corner, and that's going to complete this card. Oh, I also put a little red gem on the deer's nose, so it's like a Rudolph. And here is the two projects that we did today. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I will see you again next Friday with some more projects from Kat Scrappiness' shop. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.